What's up guys, it's Scoop from my gaming here. Today I am in Eden Editor in Arma 3, and I have made the system where basically when we get into this car and we drive over to this place, so basically we need to kill all of the people who are over there, and then a helicopter will come to pick us up. So what I shall do is I get in and then order everyone else to get in. Just wait for everybody else to get in. Now I'll drive over to the destination. Don't mind my driving. So, if I get out just like here, I don't have to get out here, I can get a bit closer, but I'm going to get out here. Get these lots to get out. So, they've already killed who we need to kill. Which is quite funny. So now, basically there's a trigger, so basically when they kill, or when that enemy is killed, it triggers an event which happens where basically a helicopter will come and pick us up and then take us to a new place. So yeah, probably shouldn't kill everyone because these guys will kill me. So yeah, what I'll do is to add some realism. As you can see the helicopter over there coming in. So throw down some smokes and stuff, just for realism. As you guys can see, it's coming in. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so it's currently coming in. What it does is it just flies over more quickly, then it slows itself down, then it turns around to go land on a helipad, which is invisible, you guys can't see it. But I put the smoke whereabouts it kind of in. Oh, I know it's right. But yeah, anyways. So you can see it's turning around. Right back over. You can try and shoot the pilot, but it's impossible because yeah, the helicopter is just nice. Okay, doors. So that's just going over. This is all AI, by the way. And it's one of the easiest things to do in Editor. It's like advanced kind of. So that's going to land where the helipad is. That's about where the smoke is. And then I'm going to order them to get in. I get in, and then it takes off. So you can see, then it'll take us to our next location. So we're all in, it takes us to our new location. Completely AI. It's going to land us just about where that dome is, right next to it. Then it'll kick us out. See, it's getting ready. Hopefully it should lower its gear in a minute. Gonna lower your gear, or so now it's going to land us. Oh, there we are. it's kicked everyone out, well it's kicked me out, so then I tell them to just get out. So at the moment I'm still making it so that, oh yeah, so see, now as you can see they now leave. And then they just stay there unless you give it another waypoint, which I have not actually done yet. So they just stay there. So yeah, if this video gets 10 likes, I will do a tutorial on this. Yeah, I'll do a tutorial on how to do it. And I'll do a nice long tutorial. It's really needed, so yeah. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Bye. I play Siege, bitch. I wonder if they'll start shooting at me. But anyways, no, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.